Aussie EzySpray was invented by an Australian. He invented it originally to fight bushfires, and we decided that it would be very useful for gardeners because you do not have to pump it. No pumping whatsoever. So this is how you use your Aussie EzySpray. In this case, I'm going to do some fertilizing. So grab hold of some fertilizer. I'm going to measure it into my pre-measured cup here. Put in my 10 mils as described on the bottle. I'm now going to take out the plunger by just turning it and pulling it out. I'm going to add my fertilizer like so. Really that simple. Get that out of the way. Now I'm going to put my plunger back in. Just be sure that your plunger connection nozzle is facing away from the pressure gauge. You push down and then pull it up and fit it into position. And you'll see some lugs there to hold that plunger in position nice and tightly. Now we're going to fill the bottle. So just simply attach your hose to the quick fit, make sure the plunger's in position and turn on. You may be able to hear the water running in and you'll see the pressure gauge starting to move. As it's going in, it's mixing the fertilizer and pushing it into the bottle. Okay, so we've filled the bottle and now we can turn the hose off, disconnect the hose, and we're ready to spray. That's actually a pressure relief valve, so you cannot overfill. It will equalize and then eventually that will release any excess so you'll know it's full. Okay, so here's our bottle and we're ready to spray. So let's walk around the yard a little bit. So here we go. So I've put it into position. Now please note, I'm aligning the spray with the little triangle on here, and it's very light in spray, but it covers a lot of space. So when you're spraying with this to get insects, you'll need to do this around the bush so that you're getting underneath the leaves and capturing insects. You may see two insects flying away as I'm doing this. I'm actually only spraying the fertilizer I put in it, but you get the idea. So there we have the Aussie EzySpray. You'll spray now until the sprayer is empty, and as I said, this will spray at full pressure for as long as you want it to spray, from full to empty at full pressure. This is what makes the Aussie EzySpray such a unique garden tool. And there's no batteries, it's just controlled by the power of the water that's inside the bottle, which is held in the bottle under pressure because the water goes into a bladder which expands. As the bladder expands, when it's filling, it's creating additional air pressure, and it's that air pressure coming out that releases the water and keeps us at full pressure from start to finish. Because when you start filling, there's pressure in the bottle to start with. So the bottle will actually spray till completely empty from start to finish.